Hello guys, my name is Radu and today with my gorgeous wife Miruna, we are gonna react to Infected Rain's new single, Stranger. Infected Rain is a band from our brother country, Moldova. They're sick. Her vocals are crazy. So it's a female fronted band, and she has a lot of other projects, but today we're gonna react to Infected Rain.
Let's
Let's
Oh, they're with
see.
Nepal?
Yes.
That's dope.
They're up there with Ginger at the Balkan area. Her name is Lena Scissorhands. This is sick. Also love the concept of the video.
Yeah, it's really cool. Very nice.
Dope track.
Very nice.
Dope new track from them.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. Is there no, nothing, no album.
Very cool.
Yeah,
I like this.
I really enjoyed this. Sick riffs. I really love the concept of the video, and yeah, music insane. So yeah, this was our reaction to Infected Rain's new single, Stranger. If you enjoyed this video, just hit the subscribe button down below, follow us, and wait for more reactions like this. Cheers!